I'm the fit artist. This is my before video, and very soon the after will also come. So finally, I've joined the gym. It's a local gym, but it is good enough for me because it has all the machines, equipment, and space that I need to work on my body. चैलेंज तो लिया है. अब देखते हैं इसमें मैं खरा उतर पाऊंगा कि नहीं. 3 months का मेंबरशिप लिया है. एंड लेट्स सी व्हाट हैपेंस. इट्स एक्साइटिंग. यहाँ पे जिम के ओनर से मैं बता रहा हूँ कि मैं पहला हफ्ता पूरा बॉडी करूँगा बिकॉज आई हैव नॉट टच द जिम इन 6 years. I was only doing calisthenics and functional training. So let's see what happens. I'm very, very excited. Also, I can't talk and record in the gym क्योंकि वो कॉपीराइट का इश्यू आ जाएगा. सो दैट्स वाई आई हैव टू डू अ सेपरेट वॉइस ओवर और ये सिलसिला चलता रहेगा. आई थिंक इट विल बी बेटर क्योंकि आवाज़ क्लियर आएगी जब मैं वॉइस ओवर करूँगा. एंड आई विल पुट एन अंडरले ऑफ सम म्यूजिक एंड supers. I think that will work fine. I'm starting with 10 minutes of cardio on the exercycle, or this is how I'm trying to record myself by keeping the phone here and there everywhere on my tripod and then shooting in whatever way I can, raw, natural, unfiltered. So stay tuned with me, guys, and please come along and follow me on my journey. I'll keep it as real as possible, without without many gimmicks and tricks, on the video. So I will just shoot myself as it is, और इसमें मैं घर आके वॉइस ओवर करूँगा एंड देन मैं डालते जाऊँगा. सो दिस प्रोसेस विल कंटिन्यू होपफुली एवरी डे. एंड ये स्टार्टिंग का वीडियो है तो थोड़ा सा लंबा होगा. But from I think tomorrow is Sunday, so it'll be a rest day. I'll do some stretching at home only. And even though the gym is open, तो मैं क्या करूँगा कि I will try to keep it within 10 minutes, the videos. मैं पुशअप से स्टार्ट कर रहा हूँ 3 sets of 10 repetitions each. This is my favorite exercise anyway. And then of course there's a tiny bit of nervousness, but I'm sure I'll overcome that. तो ये मेरा पहला सेट है. एंड आई विल शो इट एज इट इज. मैं कुछ इसमें फिल्टर कुछ कुछ नहीं करूँगा. मैं सिर्फ म्यूजिक डाल दूंगा और थोड़ी सी सुपर्स. आई थिंक दैट विल मेक इट मोर रियलिस्टिक. यहाँ पे मैं 3 sets बोल रहा हूँ. अब बैकग्राउंड म्यूजिक यूज नहीं कर सकता ना, कॉपीराइट इश्यूज. ये मेरा सेकंड सेट है. थोड़ा सा एंगल चेंज कर दिया है, आप लोग को भी थोड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगे देखने में. मैं उस तरीके से थोड़ा क्रिएटिविटी तो डालूंगा ऑब्वियसली. आई मीन it will not be absolutely shoot and post kind of thing. थोड़ा बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग भी लगना चाहिए because and I'll keep it conversational style so that you also know and see what I am up to. This is my third set of the push-ups. I'm trying to shoot myself. The gym was a little crowded today, so the trainer sir was saying that someone will kick up your phone. I said it's okay, let them kick it. That will also give an effect. Literally. You can see people walking in the background, but I'll try to shoot more effectively. 3 sets are over. Now I'll go on to the next exercise. यहाँ पे सर कह रहे हैं कि कोई लात मार के चले जाएगा. मैंने कहा कोई बात नहीं. ये मैं चेस्ट प्रेस मशीन में अगेन आई विल डू 3 sets. So this is how the angle. I think it's turning cool. कोई तामझाम नहीं. I'm trying to adjust the weight. और शुरू में एकदम से हैवी नहीं करूँगा, बट आई विल बिल्ड अप. Thankfully, I'm a bit shameless. मैं पब्लिक में शूट कर सकता हूँ आराम से, मेरे को फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता है कोई देखे ना देखे, कमेंट करे, कुछ भी कर ले, बिकॉज आई हैव टू डू व्हाट आई हैव टू डू एंड डू इट इन अ गुड वे. Basically, two sets every exercise for 1 week to 10 days. शुरुआत है तो 15 to 20 kilos ही मैंने रखा हुआ है, बिकॉज आई डोंट वांट टू पुश too soon, too fast at the same time. Then the muscles will become stiff और फिर मेरा बैक का भी प्रॉब्लम इश्यू है, तो वो भी देखना है मेरे को बड़े ध्यान से. इट्स सो गुड. Now I'll be doing flies. So basically, I think the trainer has started me on the chest exercises first. तो ये यहाँ पे मैं flies कर रहा हूँ. Again, very light weights, and I think it's too light. मैं थोड़ा सा इंक्रीज करता हूँ, अराउंड अगेन 15 to 20 किलो के रेंज में ही रख रहा हूँ, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं. उसका ये रीज़न है कि आई एम ऑलरेडी यूज टू बॉडी वेट एक्सरसाइजेस. आई मीन 100 push-ups, 200 squats, sometimes even more than that. And you have seen my earlier videos. So these are just additional resistance. The muscle will react because it's a new this thing. But there is always a muscle memory. So I'm sure the body remembers that I used to gym at one time. On to the second set now. So exhaling while exerting, that's standard knowledge. Everybody knows that. Inhaling when you come back and keeping the core tight. So luckily, I'm not very heavy. I'm around 76 kilos at 6 feet. But as I think build muscle, I might go up to 78 to 80 kilos max. I don't want to go heavier than that. I don't want to be too bulky. Adjusting my camera, and that's the look of pure joy. I really love the fact that exercise gives you such a natural high, and I simply love it. And hopefully, I'll grow to like this gym also. I'm done with the third set and on to the next exercise. Gym का नज़ारा थोड़ा. Feeling good after a very long time. अब मैं एडजस्ट कर रहा हूँ कैमरा, शोल्डर प्रेस की ओर बढ़ते हुए. यहाँ पे मैं ज़्यादा वेट्स नहीं लूँगा, because I have to go slow and steady if I have to win the race. It's a 90-day challenge. Let's see. 23 years ka slip disc, cancer of the leg, cancer of the lymphatic system, and age. So it's definitely going to be a real challenge. I'm not doing it just for show. I really want my life and my health back. यहाँ पे मैं कुछ तो बोल रहा हूँ, 2 sets or something like that. It's not easy to dub. Yeah, okay, I said 2 sets. This is the third set, I think. It's not easy to dub. Yeah, okay, I think I said 3 sets. थोड़ा इधर उधर हो जाए वॉइस तो क्षमा कर देना, माफ कर देना. आई रियली अपोलोजाइज. द डे विल कम व्हेन आई विल हैव ऑल द गिज्मोज एंड एवरीथिंग. अभी तो एक सिंपल सा फोन से ही कर रहा हूँ, and trying to make the most of what I have and trying not to think negatively at all. Actually, ये था third set. This is the third set. Mm, not bad. कल पता चलेगा. Third set done. Let's see how sore I become tomorrow. Now it's time for dumbbell flies again for the shoulder. I've just taken 5 kilo weights. I don't want to go heavy right now. Slow and steady. And I'm liking the angle. It's looking different. One set done. It's always difficult to start, but once you start, there's no stopping. On to the second set of my dumbbell flies, and I'm holding it deliberately, very slowly, but I will make it intense. I can't wait to start, like, in the way I used to. In a week's time, in a week's time. तब तक जो भी है मैं करते रहूँगा. एंड कल फ्राइडे था, एंड फ्राइडे में आई डिड लेग्स yesterday, which I unfortunately could not shoot. I forgot completely. I was so engrossed in the exercises. वो फिर से करूँगा, अभी टाइम आएगा. 90 days है हमारे पास पूरा. एंड let's see the transformation slowly, one step at a time. This is just day one. It's so good. Third set of the flies, and I'm really, really stoked. I'm so happy. I'm so happy. That's what I'm saying here. These are the small things that make me happy. The hair experience the other day after 2 years, literally. And now the gym experience after 6 years. I'm stoked. I'm happy. And I'm really, really glad I came here. I'm stacking the weights back on the rack. People just leave it like that. But I'm, a little particular. I'm trying to say something, I don't know what. खैर जो भी हो, moving on to the next exercise. It's time for the press downs. What is it called, this exercise? But only the front. I don't want to do it in the back right now because, again, I have a sensitive back and I have to be mindful. मैं बेल्ट पहन के नहीं कर रहा हूँ. I'm just doing it freely right now. अभी तो धीरे धीरे इंटेंसिटी बढ़ेगी. This is just day one and I am just super hyper excited the way I am, you know. It is always difficult to start initially. So that was what I was saying. I got it right now. Dubbing. ये मेरा second set है. I'm taking very short breaks in between, just about 20 to 40 seconds max because I want to keep the intensity on. I'm used to exercise, so it's not a big deal. It's winter, but I'm sweating like mad, and that's something which I really like. Change of angle. This is the third set, and I think this was post my, yeah, on the day I got the haircut is when I joined the gym. So it was a double high basically. I have to keep in mind also my form when I do the exercises and not do it incorrectly because ultimately you are on your own. It is, I think, 6:30 right now in the evening. I started a bit late. Normally, the owner advised me to be there around 4:30 because that's the time when very few people are there. And I'm starting off with the rowing exercise for the back. And I love this exercise. Tight grip and just pulling it near your rib cage, depending how you hold it, to hit different muscle groups. I'm so excited about training with iron again. This is the third set. Thoda sa angle change so that you guys don't get bored. बट बोरिंग क्या, जब वर्कआउट है तो है, जो है सो है. And the captions that are coming on the screen, I'll delete them. The camera, the caption technology is trying to capture every single Punjabi word that is playing in the background, and it is so hilarious. I'll put a few of them, थोड़ा सा मस्ती के लिए. On to another exercise, my favorite, which is the bicep curls. अभी तो bicep नाम का है, strength है, strong हूँ, thanks to the many, I think, almost 50 days of freehand calisthenic exercises and martial arts. So, उसमें problem नहीं है. I've just taken again 5 kilos. Um, the next time I do it, I'll take it to 10 kilos. I will not go lift very, very heavy, and that I'm certain. I don't want to go the traditional way. I'll do it my way. Let's see where I progress with that approach. Also, one thing is that, uh, in any gym, trainers earn through personal, training their clients. I can't afford that. So I'll have to rely on my instincts and maybe an occasional help, occasional spotting. I'm done with the biceps. I'll be very sore tomorrow. I know that. That's what I'm telling, and I dubbed it right this time. लगा हुआ हूँ, ये मेरे ख्याल से दूसरा सेट है, थोड़ा एंगल चेंज के साथ, ताकि देखने में, क्योंकि हाई पॉइंट्स नहीं है वेर आई कैन कीप द ट्राईपॉड. एंड I'll try to do things and angles to make it more interesting. See, the whole idea is the progression, right? कि workouts तो सभी करते हैं, but what is so special about my workout, you know? So that's the whole point. It's triceps time, and again, 3 sets of tricep presses. I'm keeping the weight light, as I said. Initial, few days will be light weights only. I'll not go very heavy. Though I did 80 kilos of leg press yesterday. That is okay because you are lying down and then your glutes have enough strength to push the weights up. But that was very light, to be very frank. Luckily, मेरा 1 meal a day के वजह से मैंने काफ़ी फैट काट लिया था अपने बॉडी से. I was around 85 kilos and I lost around 10 kilos over a course of, I think, almost 6 to 7 months. And I intend for it to stay that way because, according to Dr. Jamna Das, when you work out on a fasted state of over 16 hours, your body starts building growth hormones. We'll talk about that. Tomorrow, there's going to be more. So I'll be doing legs, which means technically, yes. I reached home, did some noli, and prepped my meal, which was basically boiled beans, lime, oats with greens and potatoes, as you can see. and I'll catch you tomorrow again.